Hello, in this video I want to show you the top tricks on camera for ASUS Zenfone 9. So first of all, let's open the camera and the settings itself. Here we'll be able to change some of the best settings, and now let's restore it to default settings. Open the camera again and the settings right here. We can find the camera resolution, so change the resolution to 4x3 50 megapixels, as it will increase the quality of your pictures by a lot. Next, you can add a timer right here to your photos. Also, you can add the timer by dragging up the shutter button and simply dropping down. Like this. Next option is let's open the settings again. Next option will be the camera sounds, and you can either enable or disable them, and that way your camera can be silent and you can take the pictures without making any sound. You can also enable the grid to take more stable photos, and you can see the grid right here. Also, another thing is to change let's change back the camera resolution to something like 4x3, and that way we'll be able to take the shutter photo like this, the burst shot I mean, and we've just made 63 photos like that. So simply drag the shutter button to the right and you can take the burst shot. So now let's open the settings again, and right here we can also change the controls or volume keys. It's right here, set volume keys as, and you can use the shutter, so that way if you press any volume key you'll take a photo just by pressing it, or you can go and click the zoom. That way you'll be able to zoom in or out with just your volume key buttons. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.